Good morning, adventurers.
Morning. We are actually down in Texas. Some of you might recognize this. We are out at my friend Chelsea's ranch. This is the ranch house.
Yeah.
But it's in the middle of the Texas Hill Country. It's pretty beautiful out here. It's a little chilly actually for Texas.
It's a little misty too,
Yeah.
so this might be kind of a wet day. I don't know.
But the plan today, it's actually New Year's Eve, and we are gonna go do an epic hike. I think she's got all these like surrounding hills on the land, and I think there's a cave that we're trying to find. We have like, it's like a little treasure map like of where it is, so hopefully we can actually find it. And then tonight I think we'll do some fireworks, although it's gonna be like 20 degrees tonight.
It's already pretty cold. That's why we don't look like we're in Texas.
No,
it was warm yesterday. It was so nice.
It was like almost 70. It was beautiful and
now
sunny.
It's gross.
Oh.
Yeah. But all right, let's get our hike on. Lola, are you ready to go on a hike? Lola.
Hey. Let's put your backpack back here.
We're gonna start the hike right over here. There's a hunting blind over here I'm gonna go check out though. This looks pretty cool. Who's in there?
What?
Is this still used?
I don't know. It's pretty legit.
You're doing it, Lola. You're doing it.
How far is the cave?
I don't know, maybe not too much farther. Maybe
too
like
much
a
farther?
quarter of a mile.
Nice.
It's not that far.
That's not bad. We've only been walking for like 10 minutes.
Yeah, and it's just a little bit of a tricky walk, but it's not too far.
Guys, by the way, we realized that we have a lot of new subscribers, and a lot of you guys might not actually know Chelsea and Brandon, but this is Chelsea and Brandon.
Hi.
There. Chelsea and Allison have been friends forever.
Yeah, since like 4th grade when I moved to Texas.
Yeah, and Allison used to come out here all the time with Chelsea.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is cool. It's like a little blast in the past for her and for her.
Always so fun coming back because I have all these like little pieces of memories, and then I'm like, oh, I remember that. We used to come out here.
And now I've been coming out here for a couple of years, so I have some memories here, which is kind of neat.
Yeah, they used to drive us out here in the dark and then tell us horror stories and make us ride in the trailer all the way home, and it was terrifying.
It was just
But now
country
it's-
living.
She's
She's just not used to it.
No. It's cool. It didn't scar me or anything like that, so that's fine.
Okay, it's not your fault.
We're having a hard time deciding which way to go because they're both pretty overgrown.
Where's Lola?
I think we're taking the rocky route.
Wait, what are you eating? Uh-oh. Is it poop? Oh, hey, Lola, stop! That is poop.
I'm so scared that one of these is just going to be a huge hole.
With a scorpion in it.
Yeah.
So it looks like we're not sure if the cave is up here or not. We think we see it.
I think it's up there.
A bit overgrown.
You guys, this is like impossible. We're just gonna go sliding down. So we're pretty confident that we went up the wrong portion. We're nervous that if we keep going at this height, the cave will be down there and we'll walk right past it. So we're trying to decide if we should go back down or just down this way at an angle. It's just, you know, it's gonna be fun. We're just gonna wander through the woods.
You guys, we were crawling through that and I just got smacked in the face by the tiniest little branch. And it hurt. It really hurt.
We're just getting beat up.
Yeah, the forest is winning.
Yeah. This is how our forefathers did it when they discovered new land.
Jeez.
Yep, that's exactly how they did it.
Nice job.
I want to see some animals.
Did they see an animal?
Yeah.
Turn around.
Guys, we found the cave.
Woo! Lola found it.
Nice job, Lola.
Thanks.
There it is. That's very, like, not as tall as a person.
You gotta squat down a little bit.
All right.
You're gonna have to work
I
for
remember
it.
being taller, but
Because you were smaller.
Chelsea's ready. She's got a headlamp and everything. I'm so jealous.
I'm so ready.
I want a friggin' headlamp. We should have given Lola a headlamp.
Oh, Lola does need one.
I don't know if this is proper technique, but oh, hey, this is pretty cool.
Yeah, it's nice
There's
and
a
warm,
bunch of
right?
stalactites up here.
There's stalagmites. There's a pretty cool formation. I'm shining.
Oh
my
yeah,
light
there's a
over
bunch over there. Check
Yeah.
that out.
Look to Allison's left.
Look at that, you guys.
That's really cool.
Yeah, look at all this above us.
There are all kinds of holes in here that go on for a while, but too small to get in.
Oh, there's a guy.
Oh, spider. Ew. How many of those have we accidentally walked into?
Check it out. We found a bone. Human bone. Nah, probably not.
Eric's getting all ready.
I'm going proper spelunking. Not really.
Lola too.
All right, let's see what's down here.
So
Besides
apparently,
a bunch of spiders.
way back in there, you can look over the edge and see another room. So that's what Eric's investigating.
Yes.
Oh my god, you're so dirty.
This is
Some
This
Beyonce
is good.
moves right there.
Calvin Klein act.
okay. This is the descent. This is my nightmare.
There we go.
A mosquito nest that I disturbed. Oh, they're hibernating. Get me out of here.
Oh no!
There's like 50 of them back there.
But yeah, I saw a bunch of them.
Ugh. Man, flies and
yeah.
mosquitoes mostly.
You climb back here. What
Hell
is
yeah.
this? And this is how I die.
We brought beer. I think that was Chelsea's idea. Actually. Nice job, Chelsea. We got one of our favorite beers, Love Street Kolsch. It's really good.
It is really good.
Cheers. Air cheers.
Cheers.
Yay!
Cave beer.
Cave beer.
It's gotten really cold out here, y'all.
I think it's borderline snowing now.
Yeah, it's definitely wet at the very least.
What's in there?
You go find out.
This is what gets Allison excited when
How
we're
much to
hiking.
put your hand in there?
And then she always tells me to put my hand in.
Jesus.
That's a good spear.
Alright. That's pretty bad.
Nice job. We made it to the top-ish, kind of to the top. Pretty insane view, but man, that was a lot of work getting up here.
It hurt when you... My hands are all scraped up and red from all those plants.
Yeah, we're all covered in
I think
crap.
a lot of pollen and dust.
But we
It was
made it.
worth it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's check out Brandon's walking stick.
It's
He
the
wins.
biggest and best.
The most epic walking stick ever. Also, I almost stepped on this cactus.
Yeah, you gotta
Little
watch
buggers.
out here. We came down not the way we went up, and we came up on this, and now we gotta get down there somehow.
It's just a big gorge.
It's gonna be fun and cool,
We
right?
could potentially slide down yonder.
That's what I'm thinking.
I thought I could get down here, but this turns out this isn't a ledge, it's just a shrub.
It's a lot further down. The
Yeah.
camera doesn't seem to be showing it very well, but
Yeah, it's definitely like
it's pretty far
get
down there.
killed. Check this out. full of yellow jacket. Check them out. Oh yeah. Chelsea just informed me that this is the pee can. So that's where you pee.
So you don't have to get out to scare the animals.
You just sit in here with your pee in a can. Looks pretty cozy.
All your yellow jackets.
Cozy. We're back at the house and we've got the meat ready. We've got a giant rack of ribs here and some chicken.
The New Year's ribs and chicken?
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Yeah, also, apologies for my appearance. The hot water heater broke when we got here.
You
so
look beautiful, kid.
We haven't been able to like shower in like 2 days.
The ribs are done. Brandon absolutely killed it. Nice job, man.
Thank you.
These look good.
Yeah, poor dude had to stay out in the freezing cold while we played games with the kids.
Yeah.
Oops.
But Allison chopped up all the vegetables and we just put them in some foil here, put them on the grill. They look pretty dang good. I've already tried them all. They're excellent.
No.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, they're so tender. When they're smoky.
What do you have on here? Stubbs. Stubbs barbecue sauce.
So good.
Yeah.
And some Cavender's seasoning, which is the best all-purpose seasoning. No ensemble is complete without cool gloves, right?
Those are the coolest gloves I've ever seen.
They are the
honestly.
coolest. And this might be the coolest outfit I've ever worn.
Alright, y'all, it's officially 2018.
We made it. Happy New Year.
Not the most exciting, like, ringing in the new year that we've ever done. We were literally just watching some random movie that they had out here, and then Chelsea was like, hey, it's 2018.
And we're like, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna
I kind of forgot.
It was still a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Did the fireworks for as long as we could handle it outside before it started freezing to death. Had a delicious dinner. Fun day hiking. We haven't done that in a while. We've been kind of just sitting and working for the past few weeks and visiting family, so I think we're all feeling it now.
But I hope you guys have been enjoying 2018. Because when you see this, it's going to be like,
a little later.
I don't know how far behind we are right now, but it's going to be a ways into 2018. So I hope the year's been good so far.
Yeah.
All right. I think that's all.
Yeah. Oh, and speaking of it being 2018, we have some pretty fun travel plans in the works. Nothing really concrete yet. But I think we might be doing some more traveling with friends, some winter traveling.
Yeah.
Like wintry.
We'll have
traveling.
like proper announcements about it soon.
Yeah.
But we just wanted to allude to some stuff. We have some fun stuff planned for 2018, y'all.
We're
it's
so
gonna be good.
excited. We cannot wait. But now we're really tired, so we're gonna go to bed. Good night and Happy New Year.
We'll see you on the road.